Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the wild world of money makeovers. You've heard of extreme makeovers for your house or wardrobe, but what about for your bank account? Yep, we're talking about Dave Ramsey's Total Money Makeover. I'm going to share the top 5 key lessons to get you from broke to ballin' in no time. Stick around because these lessons can save you from money disasters, and trust me, you don't want to miss number 5. It's a game changer. We will discuss each lesson in a concise manner first, then followed by detailed exploration at the later part of the video. Lesson 1. Budget like a boss. Track every dollar, folks. Whether it's your morning latte or that random impulse buy at 2 a.m., your money needs a game plan. Lesson 2. Emergency fund to the rescue. Start with a cool $1,000 to cover life's surprises. Lesson 3. Debt snowball, or should I say debt smackdown. Start with the smallest debt and focus all your energy on paying it off. Lesson 4. Invest in your future, baby. Ramsey says put 15% of your income into retirement accounts like a 401k or Roth IRA. Finally, Lesson 5. Say no to debt. Like it's kale at a BBQ. If you can't buy it outright, you can't afford it. Stay on to see why this is the game changer. Let's dive deeper into Lesson 1. Budget like a boss. Tracking every dollar might sound tedious, but it's the foundation of financial success. Take Sarah, for example. She used to wonder where her money went every month. After she started using a budgeting app, she realized she was spending $200 a month on coffee alone. By cutting back and making her own coffee at home, she saved enough to pay off her credit card debt in just 6 months. Budgeting helps you see exactly where your money is going and allows you to make informed decisions. It's like having a roadmap for your finances. You wouldn't go on a road trip without a map, right? The same goes for your money journey. Now let's talk about Lesson 2. Emergency fund to the rescue. Life is full of unexpected events, and having an emergency fund can be a lifesaver. Take John, for instance. His car broke down unexpectedly, and the repair cost was $900. Because he had an emergency fund, he was able to cover the cost without going into debt. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're prepared for life's surprises. An emergency fund acts as a financial cushion, protecting you from the stress and anxiety of unexpected expenses. Start with a goal of saving $1,000 and then work your way up to 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. It's all about being prepared and staying ahead of the game. Moving on to Lesson 3. Debt snowball. Or should I say, debt smackdown. This method is all about gaining momentum and staying motivated. Let's look at Emily's story. She had multiple debts, including credit cards, student loans, and a car loan. By focusing on paying off her smallest debt first, she quickly saw progress and felt encouraged to keep going. Each debt she paid off gave her a sense of accomplishment and motivated her to tackle the next one. The debt snowball method is powerful because it builds confidence and keeps you motivated. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining speed and size as it goes. Start with your smallest debt, pay it off, and then move on to the next one. Before you know it, you'll be debt-free and feeling unstoppable. Lesson 4. Invest in your future, baby. Investing is crucial for building long-term wealth and securing your financial future. Take Mark and Lisa, for example. They started investing 15% of their income into retirement accounts like a 401k and a Roth IRA. Over time, their investments grew, and they were able to retire comfortably and enjoy their golden years without financial worries. Investing might seem intimidating, but it's all about starting early and being consistent. The power of compound interest means that your money grows over time, and the earlier you start, the more you'll have in the future. Don't wait. Start investing in your future today. Finally, Lesson 5. Say no to debt. Like it's kale at a BBQ. If you can't buy it outright, you can't afford it. This lesson is all about living within your means and avoiding the trap of debt. Take Jessica's story. She used to rely on credit cards for everything, from groceries to vacations. But when she realized how much interest she was paying, she decided to make a change. By cutting up her credit cards and only spending what she had, she was able to pay off her debt and live a more financially secure life. Living debt-free means you have more control over your finances and can focus on building wealth instead of paying off interest. It's about making smart choices and prioritizing your financial health. Remember, if you can't buy it outright, you can't afford it. All right, friends, those are the top 5 lessons from Dave Ramsey's Total Money Makeover. Follow these steps and soon enough, you'll be making it rain. Responsibly, of course. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video if you want more tips on crushing your financial goals. Until next time, stay financially fabulous.